Jainism from the 21st of the 8th month of 1446. Jainism starts upon the categories of substance. Their transtheism addresses the living being, matter, movement, abstinence, space, and time in eternal existence. Deism needs 24 prophets, or is it really a fuller science? Sentient and insentient are simultaneously everywhere for those who neither want annihilated nor absorbed into the presence. Austerities increase as we work out the trances. The bare and the simply clothed deny each other's scriptures, but agree there were 14 of what came before. The classes and objects of meaning are agreed upon for the disentangling purifiers. So there's an agreement that at some point there were 14 purvas. The list of prophets, you could call them, is the Tathagathas, the bridge builders, the conquerors, the chief Jainas. Another term that we probably very strongly look at is the Dravyas, being the Jiva, the Pudgala, Dharma, Adharma, Akasa, and Kala. And I've already listed those therein. But if you saw the post, I only mentioned the Jiva, or living being.